Hi, everybody. Today on your notebook paper, I'm going to be talking about how to make a list on there in case you had like to alphabetize words, or maybe you were listing your favorite foods or your least favorite foods. So now watch this. Okay, I checked to see if I'm on the front page of a piece of paper. My holes are on the left. There's my hole. My big, large areas at the top. I have a dark red line, which is the margin I start writing on. And I have the lighter margin where I stop writing and I go to another line. And how I always know is those holes are on the left-hand side if you're on the front page of a paper. Okay, now let's say that you needed to do a list of your favorite foods. Okay, I'm going to put the date. And remember that the first numbers stand for the number of month. It's the 10th month. It's October. I'm recording this on the 3rd of October, and it is in the year 2020. Okay. Now, Mrs. Hicks says, please make me, or Mr. Young or Mrs. Colda says, please make me a list of your 3 favorite foods. Okay. Remember, you skip a line. You start right at the margin. And you say that your favorite food is mac and cheese. Okay, now I'm not capitalizing. And I'm using mac, which is not really macaroni. Do you see where my D went? And do you notice that my lowercase letters are in the middle between the 2 blue lines? Mac and cheese. My H is really tall. All right. And I'm right on the line. I'm not floating around. Okay, that's my first favorite food. Then what I would do is I like to skip lines. I get into that habit of skipping a line right now. I go number 2 and I put a dot right there, if you can see it. All right. My second favorite food is spaghetti. Oop, I didn't quite get up. Do you notice that? I'm going to go ahead and use my eraser. I don't erase a lot when I'm writing because then people can't read it. But I'm going to use that eraser right there because that was not the correct H. There it is. All right. All right. I'm happy with that now. And do you notice that my words don't string out across the paper either? All right. They're kind of compact. I'm actually having to write a little bit bigger than I normally do because I'm writing with my finger. All right. And then number 3, my other favorite food would be tacos. Okay, now that's how you make a list. And if you notice, I do not, when the line is cut in 2 like that, okay? So the uppercase letters go from blue line to blue line, and the lowercase letters are right in the middle. They come up to the middle. The other thing I don't write is I don't write like this, okay? That's not right. All right, it just isn't. You need to start making your writing smaller. You need to make it nice when you do your handwriting and stuff. And remember that we're writing between the margin and the margin. All right, that's the lesson in handwriting and writing on notebook paper today.